So the first step we want to do, spinning in the navel orbit. So simple, you think you're holding a 4 ball and spinning in different direction, but we only going to spin in a forward direction. So we're holding a ball and you spin forward. Your eye spinning orbit, and you had a chi ball spinning in orbit in your navel. And when you spin in orbit enough, you feel getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And you feel the earth spinning in orbit. You feel the moon spinning in orbit. You feel the earth spinning around the sun orbit. And you tap in and you feel the orbit spinning. So you're spinning 9 times, 36 or 72 spinning. Now when you go deeper inside you, you also feel this orbit spinning affecting the electron in every atom and every cell are spinning. So 50 trillion cells multiplied by atoms, there it can be many 100,000 trillion. And when you feel it, you feel warm, nice, pulsing, and breathing. Now, in the downlight to get a balance, so we're going to spin the orbit back to Dantian. We call the cell spinning. Spinning on a station. We're spinning backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you spin backward like this. You spin backward. It's just like you go back this way. Okay. Now when you go back this way, you spin, and you feel nice and warm, and you feel the navel pulse, kidney pulsing, warm in your navel. Now we're going to go down to our next orbit we call a small orbit. So we're spinning an orbit. So the orbit, it come up on the back, going up to the crown, going back down. And we spin 9 times, 36 and 72, and we spin backward. Now I want you to know that the energy outside of you, it can be bad energy or not good energy, but if you have good energy inside you spinning, you started to feel the energy around you are spinning better energy. Okay? So we spin from the Dantian, and you make another ball spinning down to perineum. That is between the sexual organ and anus, and come up to the coccyx and up to the crown and down to the navel and up, looking down, go up and down. Your tongue up and down. And you feel the earth are spinning, the moon are spinning, the earth are spinning around the sun, and the sun are spinning around the galaxy, the Milky Way. Now you're spinning and you feel the energy around you are changed to good energy, and you started to feel you can take energy into your body and use it. Now you go deeper into yourself, into the cells, and go deeper down to the atom, and go deeper down into the electron and proton, and you see the electron are spinning in the orbit. When it's spinning in the orbit, we call no beginning and no end. No beginning and no end. And you reverse again, spinning our orbit. This we call small orbit, spinning in our orbit. From the navel, come up, going back down, rebalancing the plane, palm up, come back down, and you find the orbit. And you feel nice and warm, you feel energy spinning inside you. Now we're going to go to what we call figure 8. Figure 8 we call the infinity. So we have 2 parts. When we're spinning in the figure 8 up and down, we call the eternity. When you think the figure 8 in the sideway, across here, we call the infinity. Infinity is the past. Eternity is the future. Okay? So figure 8 also no beginning and no end. So your energy around you not good, and you spin enough energy bigger and bigger, you change the energy around you into good energy. So you come up to the top, coming down to the perineum. From perineum, you're going down to the leg. And from the leg, come up to the front. And you come up to our orbit. And when you spin faster and faster and faster, the energy around you started to change to be good energy. Because when you have good energy, you spin, and you spin, and you spin, the energy inside you become better and better energy. And finally, if we spin faster now, faster, we spin faster, now the energy around you change, and change to very good energy. Everything is spinning, and it's getting bigger and bigger, and all the energy